Hi guys, I'm Britt from Spruce and Bee, and I want to take just a quick couple minutes to show you how easy it is to use dry shampoo. We make the powdered kind, which is better for you, it's better for the environment. We're not using things like butane or alcohol, things that other companies use as fillers to get the aerosol to work properly. So a jar like this, which is 2 ounces, will last forever. I've had this jar for probably a year. I'm down to the bare bones of it. But I'm going to show you today how easy it is to apply the powdered kind. So the ingredients in this are very simple: arrowroot starch, cocoa powder, lavender, and tea tree essential oils, and that's it. So tea tree is great for the scalp. The arrowroot starch and the cocoa powder are going to absorb the oils and leave your hair fresh and clean and healthy. So very simply, you're just going to dip the top of an old makeup brush into the powder. You're just going to get a little bit at a time. You're going to separate your hair at the roots, and this is just going to get all that oil absorbed. You really don't need very much at all. Sometimes I'll just flip the jar over like this, and whatever's in the cap, I'll just use that as the application. And then we sell this in a light version. I'm using the light version just because that was the original version, but so you can see even as a brunette, you do pretty well with the light, but we do have a dark version as well that is just more concentrated with the cocoa powder to give it a darker color. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, Britt@spruceandbee.com. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have, and thank you very much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful.